Imagine having a full-time assistant managing your eBay messages, feedback, listings, all for less than a cup of coffee a day. And that's exactly what 3D Sellers does. Now, 3D Sellers, the best part is they do have a free trial. So you can try it. If you hate it, you don't buy it. Super easy. Love those types of tools, right? And it's got 7 days, which is solid, right? No credit card required, 7 days. Try it out. There is a link in the description if you do like it, but I'm going to be going through the tools really quick. I'm going to be giving you 2 of my favorite towards the end of the video so you can see what the internal platform looks like. And the most powerful listing software is going to be 3D Sellers. I do agree with this. This is one of the most powerful because they actually care. So they have coders definitely in the back end that are keep optimizing this stuff like every single day. And you can kind of see how it's implementing. So you can see eBay USA, eBay UK, eBay Germany, eBay France, which is pretty awesome, where I can implement all of these and have different policy managers and AI prompts to help automate everything. And it does make automation very easy. Import, update eBay listings with CSV files, automation, your SEO, which I'll go over that very briefly, and level up the listing with product videos. So you want to do all of this, implement all of this. I think editing your listings quickly, you can edit your listings pretty much across accounts, across marketplaces very quickly, and there's no lag. On eBay, there's always like a CAPTCHA for some reason that comes up, CAPTCHA, and it's just super annoying. I actually have to put these birds in the treehouse or something. Select and bulk edit eBay listings. Click with one click. Implement designs. This is what I was going to show you later, is how you can have this in your description, and it pretty much pulls all of your products and it makes you better, like credibility wise. Take bulk actions with CSV updates, modify listings. There's just so much stuff. I don't want to just there's just too much stuff. There's too much stuff to implement. I'm just going to skip to the good stuff. The AI listing tool, it's good. Increase eBay feedback. It's good. Oh my gosh. Okay, eBay 3D Sellers is going in. Okay, this is my top 4. This is the top 4. Okay. There's an inventory scarcity strategy, right? Where you can have 100 units in stock, but you show on eBay that there's only 1 in stock left. When somebody orders the one, it'll say last one. When somebody orders the last one, it takes it and it says, okay, it's out of stock. And then 1 second later, it goes right back in stock. And that helps pretty much show urgency, and it will increase sales a lot faster than almost any other method in this game, right? A lot of people don't know about that. Having 2 in stock is good too. So that way, if they want to order 2, they can order 2 at a time, because bulk sales are always nice. Automated buyer messages. So this is what we already set this up internally. Automated feedback alerts. We already set this up internally. SEO and cross promotion design. We are in progress of setting this up. All right. So you can see the different data right here, and you can see how it's been spiking. This is pretty much implementing 3D Sellers. We could see that with AI, it's been generating a lot more sales. Now, I'm very, very happy about that. Can't complain, especially when it's eBay. And it's looking like almost $7,000 in sales in the last 30 days. Now, that profit isn't accurate because we haven't optimized the profit dashboard, but it's looking good. And then you can go to your listings, and this is where you can change your listings up. Go to active listings, change them up when needed. This is where you can implement AI. So if we wanted to implement AI, we can click this, and we can do images to listings, titles to listings, identifiers to listings, URLs to listings, scan barcode, right? Create listing, import product. But what we're going to do is SEO. And this is where I really think it gets ahead, is it implements back-end meta description that you can't implement yourself on eBay. So they have like a back-end API that helps you rank on eBay and on Google to understand the items. You can click generate all SEO fields with AI, and it's going to do back-end keywords, meta description, and mobile description that's going to help you show up on #1 on eBay and Google. But going back to SEO, it can also add image alt tags. So if you have some images in here, this listing is actually sold already, but the images would show up here, and you can do the same thing with AI. Edit the listing, and let's see if we can do more AI. bold title, so you can make all the changes in here. Oh, can't do that either. Fuck. Let's go 5-minute error to 6-minute. There's a lot more that you can do as well. And we can go all the way to the right. And we're going to try to find the inventory. This is where you can do the inventory control. So if I turned this on and I said that I had 100 units in stock. But what I do is I put this as 1. And what it does is it displays that we only have 1 in stock on eBay. Right when this sells, it goes right back to 1 in stock. So it'll say last 1 in stock, buy now, and it helps create urgency, which is a very, very powerful tool. One of the most powerful tools and easiest to use on eBay. Next is going to be implementing right in all of your templates automatically a nice little, breakdown. Give thanks with style. These are good. These are very, very good. I did like a little Christmas one. Get your Christmas mood on, and you can edit it, and it's going to automatically, when you put your listing in, see how it says title, it's automatically going to pull from your listing and put your title there, right? So that's very nice. Very, very cool just to have something like this, and it will increase, again, credibility, SEO, sales, all that good stuff. So 3D Sellers is going to help you. I only went through a few of the tools. There's so many that I'm even learning. This is going to be the best way to semi-audit your business. And I am a eBay consultant, and so is the team. You can contact us right down below if you need anything regarding eBay. Josh Hackett, signing out.